Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Samsung TV error code 202 Wi-Fi connection issue troubleshooting. Fix 1. Restart your Samsung TV. First turn off your Samsung TV and unplug the TV from the power outlet. Then wait for about 60 seconds and plug the TV back in and turn it on. Now check if error code 202 is gone. Fix 2. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Turn off your router and modem and unplug them from power. Now wait for about 1 to 2 minutes, then plug the modem back in first and wait until it fully starts. Then turn on the router and reconnect your Samsung TV. Fix 3. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Press the home button on your Samsung remote, then go to settings, then go to general, then go to network, then go to open network settings and select wireless. Then choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the Wi-Fi password again and connect. Fix 4. Change DNS settings. Open settings, then go to general, then go to network, then go to network status and select IP settings. From there, choose DNS settings and select enter manually. Enter 8.8.8.8, which is the Google DNS, then save the setting and reconnect to the internet. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.